Hello, everyone. Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. There's been a lot of questions lately about the affiliate program for HomeZada. So I want to briefly go through that because there's ways that it could benefit a lot of different industries. Right now, we have a downturn in our economy, and we're not allowed to really do a lot because of this COVID-19. So one of the things we want to do is remind you that you can still stay connected to your customers, and you can do that through HomeZada's affiliate program. By doing that, you sign up for the HomeZada affiliate program. It's free, and the website to do it is here. And then I will then review who's in the system, and then I will approve the affiliate program. Yep, that's me. I do that because I want to make sure I'm managing our partners in their entirety. So I will approve that for you, and then I will get you the necessary information you need to get started, and that includes your specific affiliate link. Once you have that affiliate link, you can then send out marketing messages to your customers on all these different tools that you think are valuable to them. And one of those tools could be HomeZada, which in turn can earn you money when they sign up. So I put this out there because I know it's really tough this time where we're kind of hunkered down, we're kind of bored in some cases, or we're reevaluating our business. But this is something that you can do definitely in this time, but also you can do it moving forward as well. And it gives you the ability to stay connected to your customers because they remember who introduced this to them. So I want to make sure that you understand that the affiliate program is still available. You don't need to be technically working in order to do that. You do need to be doing some marketing activities, but please let us know if you have any questions. You can reach us at info@homezada.com, or you can visit us at this website. And by all means, we look forward to hearing from you. Ask us any questions and let us know what you think about the program.